about logging and monitoring solutions in Kubernetes. So what is logging and monitoring and how do we check, and with practical examples we will go through the lecture. And so here, what is logging and monitoring? To monitor the node level metrics such as the number of nodes in the cluster, number of pods in the cluster, how many of them are healthy, with the help of performance metrics and pod level metrics. So these two we will check. With the performance metrics we can say CPU, memory, network and disk utilization, and a pod level metrics we can say number of pods, performance metrics of each pod, and CPU consumption of each pod. So in Kubernetes there is no inbuilt metric server, so we can utilize the in-memory monitoring solutions like Prometheus, Grafana and metric servers add-ons with by enabling this all three add-ons. And we'll go through this one with the help of metric server by deploying that. So we can say do cluster level components and node level metrics. I can say node level metrics, this one in node level metrics, and how many of them are healthy, and CPU memory consumption of CPU memory and disk utilization of this we can check. And we'll say second is pod level metrics. Pod level metrics we can say that pod level metrics a number of pods. So performance metrics of each pod, not memory, performance metrics of each pod we can check, and CPU and resource consumption. Okay, then we'll go with Kubernetes. There is no inbuilt metric server, so we will check with the in-memory metric servers such as metric server, you can say and saying that examples. Okay, I can mention that example. Metric server, second one is Prometheus, third one is Grafana. So these are the examples of elastic stack inbuilt, in-memory metric servers which you can utilize for especially in a local system. With the help of Minikube we can try to do some R&D on this. So metric server, we can say first one we can check metric server. So metric server, it is only in-memory monitoring solution. It means doesn't store metrics on the disk space. We can only see the memory and CPU utilization of that pods. So it is only in-memory monitoring, memory monitoring solution. Okay, now we can see how we can do these things in via the CLI command line interface with the help of Kubernetes command line interface. So we'll go with the terminal. So the first step is you need to install the Minikube on your OS. If you are not installed, with the help of Homebrew you can install it. I have given you the detailed installation instructions with the help in that video, so you can go through that video if not yet. Okay, after installing you can use Minikube start command. This is the first step you need to do. after installing the minikube on your local machine. It will try to start it. Wait for a while to start the minikube. And okay, now you can try to check if minikube is running or not with the help of kubectl get nodes. This is the second step. So the minikube node is ready, and control plane node is ready, and we can go through this. Now the third step, what you need to do, deploy the metric server. Okay, so with the help of minikube add-ons, enable metrics server. Please make sure that don't miss the any spell mistakes, also it will not be executed. Minikube add-ons, enable metrics server, hit enter. So you can see that message metric server add-on is enabled with the server version 0.7.2. okay, now if you try to check the status of this metric server, you can, this will install the metric server in your local system automatically, and wait for the metric server to be ready and check the status of metric server if it is ready or not with the help of kubectl get deploy means. Okay, metric server -n cube system. See, a metric server is there with the name system with the namespace cube system namespace. Under the cube system namespace, the metric servers got deployed. It is up and running. Now we can try to execute our metrics kubectl top node. See, so here the CPU cores. So how much 193 millicores it is using the CPU utilization, and percentage of CPU it was 2%, and memory in bytes, memory in percentages. So this is the health status of that my node. This is a minikube control plane node. So we can test other things as well with the help of kubectl top pod as well. See, my pod is running. I have only one pod, and CPU cores it was 0 consumptions. So 18 megabytes it was megabytes MB that was using, and we can clear this and we can try to get it. Okay, you can able to top node and pod, we can say. So two, we have seen that we want more details about without any header details, that means name and CPU cores, memory bytes, and we don't want to do that. We don't need that. And how do we can check that with the help of sorting by CPU and different get nodes hyphen sort by equal to CPU. So control plane node, right? So we need to provide the header information, then only it will give us hyphen no headers. Minikube version get nodes sorry, kubectl top node, we are passing wrong information, and you need to be alert on that. Kubectl top node hyphen sort by equal to CPU. This is one way. CPU, so based on the CPU resource utilization, it will sort. So memory, CPU, and if you want memory, you can use, instead of CPU you can use memory. Since it is only one node is available, so it will show only one node. And if you don't want headers also, you can use hyphen no headers. See, it will give only the details about this resource consumption and all. And if you go for node also, you can do the same. node, and for pod also same we need to do top pod, not top again. So my pod and 18 megabytes consumption and 0 CPU core. So this is how you can do the R&D. And for enabling these metric servers like Grafana, Prometheus, metric server, both are same. You can directly go with the terminal and you can with the help of Minikube add-ons enable metric server and Prometheus Grafana, and you can enable both with the help of enabling option Grafana Prometheus directly in a single shot that we will discuss in further upcoming sessions. So once the R&D is over and you got implemented all these commands, and you can try to disable this command, and you need to remove get pods matrix hyphen server. We are getting this pod information about the metric server, and we can see metric server hyphen name group system, either it is installed in under the namespace or not. Metric server, we need to get that metric server. How do we get that metric server? Hyphen n source. Okay, you can directly get that with the help of hyphen n cube system. So you will see this metric server is available or not. See here, this metric server is available. You see this metric server is available 5 minutes ago. We have installed it, right? So this is how you need to check the metric server is available in the Kubernetes kube system namespace, and how this is how you can check the metrics on the nodes and pod level with the help of sorting by CPU and sorting by memory as well. Now finally we will try to disable using the minikube add-ons disable metrics hyphen server. This will completely uninstalling the metric server from kube system namespace. Let's see. So metric server was disabled. Now you can try to get the pods in the kube system namespace. See, there is no metric server is available. Okay, so likewise you can go with Prometheus Grafana as well. I'll give you the this is the short video also available. You can go through that. You can get the in-depth understanding quickly in a short version. Thank you. If you have any doubts, and you can comment it in the comment section, and I hope you if this information is helpful for you, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks.